Okay, this is a video. It's and I'm just going to double check to make sure I'm recording okay here. Okay, I'm recording, and sorry for the interruption there. Okay, so I have, this is going to be a video of doing this test. First one says graph the equation by putting in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. And so I'm going to get it into that form. So it's 4x minus 3y is equal to 12. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. I get negative 3y is equal to negative 4x plus 12. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. And I get y is equal to 4/3 x. It's negative 4 over negative 3. That's positive 4/3 x. 12 over negative 3 is minus 4. This tells me this is the y-intercept. This tells me this is the slope. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So it crosses the y-axis at negative 4. The slope information tells us to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, rise of 4, run of 1, 2, 3. Draw a line between those two. The next one is this using a table at least 4 values of x. I'm going to solve this first for x. For y, I'm sorry, solve it for y. It gets, so this makes it a lot easier to do a table. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. I get 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 6. Divide each side by 2. And I get y is equal to negative 3 halves x plus 3. Doing a table, I'm going to go here. Here's my x. Here's negative 3 over 2x plus 3. That's what gives me y, and then xy. If I put in 0, I've done these. I'm going to try to make this video shorter, so I'm just going to put it in and tell you it's 0, 3 if you plug that in. The next one I'm going to do is 2, 0. I get 2, 0. The next one is 4, negative 3. I get 4, negative 3. And then the next one is negative 2, and I get 6, and I get negative 2, 6. Apologize for cutting down the length of the video there, but I wanted to do that. So I go 0, 3. 2, 0, I'm sorry, 2, 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 3, and negative 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put a line through those. And there we have that. The next one, determine the line, slope of the line that goes through those 2 points. Formula is y2 minus y1. In other words, the change in y over the change in x, x2 minus x1. I'm just going to pick this, I guess, as y2, 2 minus 1 over 4 minus a negative 3. So that's 1 over 7 minus a negative is plus positive. Oh my God, I'm way off here. Sorry about that. 1, 7. Write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that has a slope of 3/4 and goes through this point. Best way is to put this in point-slope form. That's point-slope form. Slope is 3/4 in this point. So we go y minus 5 is the y value, is equal to 3/4 x minus 5. No, x minus 3, I'm sorry. So I get y minus 5, distributive property here is 3/4 x is equal to 3/4 x, and then 3/4 minus times a negative 3, that's going to be minus 9/4. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. Sorry, I need to be there. I'm going to add 5 in the form of 20/4 here. So what I get is y is equal to 3/4 x plus 11/4, or I could express that as 2 3/4 if you want. Next page is here. It says determine the slope and y-intercepts of line. It's A and B. This is A, so this other line must be B. Slope of line A, well, I have a point there and a point there. Up 1, plus 1, a rise of 1, a run of 2, so that's going to be 1/2. It intersects the y-axis. Here's the y-axis. It intersects it at 1, so it's going to be 1, or I can express that as 0, 1. Slope of line B is here. It's down 2 over a positive 1, so that's going to be negative 2. And then the y-intercept of B, it intersects at negative 2, so I could put negative 2. Or I could put 0, negative 2. Write the equation in slope-intercept form for these two lines. I have this one. I get y is equal to 1/2 x plus 1. It's in the form of, y is equal to mx plus b. And I was told up above here the slope is 1/2 and the y-intercept is 1. And so same thing for the next one. It's y is equal to negative 2 for the slope, x minus 2. Write the equation number 7. Write the equation slope-intercept form of the point that goes through the points 3, 6, 6, 8. I'm going to find the slope. Matter of fact, number 8 tells you how to do this. You find the slope first, and then you're going to put it in point slope form and then manipulate it until you get into slope intercept form. So I know that's a mouthful, but we're going to find the slope as m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which I'm going to go 8 minus 6 over 6 minus 3. I get 2/3. Then I'm going to go in point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So I get y. I'm going to use either of these points. I think I'll use the smaller values here. So this point. And so I get y minus 6 is equal to m, which is 2/3 x minus 3. So I'm going to move up here, give myself a little bit more room here. So here I'm going to get y minus 6, distributive property here, is equal to 2/3 x minus, this is going to be negative 6 over 3, or minus 2. So I'm going to add 6 to both sides, and I get y is equal to 2/3 x 2/3 x plus 4. Okay, next one. It's really the identical type of problem the next one is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go find the slope again. So m is equal to y2 minus y1